Cano versus Rumble, round 2.
Oh, here we go. He's got the toys.
Uh-oh, Cano's going for your toys, Rumble. You gonna take that?
He's doing it on purpose.
You gonna put up with that?
Are you gonna hide behind me?
Hi, kitty cat.
Look at him. Are you hiding behind me? That's not fair.
Get him, Rumble. Yeah.
I had that happen too. All my nails always been back.
Okay, Cano, don't wreck his toy, please.
Okay, leave it.
Thank you, sir.
He's just gonna want it. Cano, leave it.
I was trying to discipline not to even touch the toys before.
Okay.
Nope.
We were trying to play a game.
Can't break.
Cano,
Leave
go
it.
away.
There's rules or there's rules.
Toys
Leave
under
it.
my feet.
Leave it.
Cardboard or no cardboard?
Okay.
And also toys are normal, so there's no, you can't differentiate between the throwaway and now it's okay.
Yeah, actually you can. You can say now I want you to play with the toys and now I don't want you to play with the toys. It's okay, and now it's not.
The cat's toys are okay. Ever. No playing cat toys. Done it once, you'll justify doing it the other time. It's confusing. It's like the consistency.
Rumble, you're so aggressive.
You consistently change it.
Cano, shh.
No, leave it.
Leave it.
Oh, now what are you gonna do, Cano?
He's gonna
Like,
go,
oh, I'll get under there.
go back to his
Okay,
toys.
leave it. What's out there?
Rumble, come here.
It's for the head.
He goes to the exact same spot he goes for another dog. Bite the ears, nibble the neck, pick at the legs.
And Rumble's in the legs of the chairs again. Nothing you can do about that, Cano.
It's just circle now. Get him, Cano.
Yeah, that's gonna work out really badly for you. Confined spaces there, dog.
Inside voice, Cano.
Yeah, advantage cat. You're gonna end up swatted in the nose, and there's nothing I can do to help you.
Yeah.
Quiet.
Quiet.
Okay, do you guys want to eat?
The trick is to yell quiet louder than he barks.
No, juice one. Or water? Water.